Hello dear students and welcome back to this online class video. This is the first part of 13th chapter Ways to Multiply and Divide of class 5 subject mathematics, and I am Jay Prakash. I start the class. Now let's know the name of the today's topic, and it is Maniratnam the cashier. This topic is based on the different ways of the multiplication. So let's see it. Maniratnam is the cashier of King Jayan. His job is to find out the salary of the all people who work for the king. So which persons are working here? Let's see. This chart shows how much salary each person gets in a day. So here are the persons who work for the king, minister, and he gets 195 rupees for per day. Horse rider is getting 76 rupees in one day, and the cook is getting 65 rupees for the one day. And now Maniratnam wanted to calculate the salary of the cook, which is 65 rupees per day, okay, for the month of January. First, here you have to know that January has 31 days, okay. So now he is going to find cook's salary for the 31 days. So for that, what we have to do? Yes, for one day he is getting how much rupees? The cook is getting 65 rupees, right? So for 31 days, so here you can compare in the days, okay, one day and 31 days means here we are finding the values for maximum, means here we are going to find the values from minimum to maximum, right? Here is 1 which is minimum and 31 is maximum. So in this condition we just multiply the numbers, okay. So now here we have to multiply 31 with 65, and the minister means the cashier is multiplying 65 with 31 in a different way. So let's have a look. 65, he just divided 65 in 60 plus 5, okay, and 31 divided in 30 plus 1. So in the blue box here you can see this is the multiplication of 60 and 30. So total he got 1800. Then in pink box he just multiplied 5 with 30, so he got 150. And now in this yellow box 60 is multiplied with 1, and now at last 5 is multiplied with 1. So he found the products as 1800, 150 rupees, 60 and 5. So at last here he just added the all numbers, 1800 plus 150 plus 60 plus 5. So total, what is the sum? So let's add it. So in the ones you can see here is 5, then 0, 0 and 0, so it means 5. Then in 10th place here is 6, so here is no 10th, so 6 plus 5 it is 11, plus 0 it is 11, 1 will be carried. So 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, so 0 will be written here and 1 will be carried, so 1 and 1 2. So 2015 rupees is the salary of the cook for 31 days, means for the month of January. Now let's see. Maniratnam's daughter Bella has learnt another method to multiply. She wrote like this and showed it to Bhanu, her brother. So here is the solution, means the way of another multiplication. So 65 multiplied by 31, okay. So what did he do? She do that she just multiplied 1 with 5 and then 6. So 1 5 ja she wrote 5, then 1 6 ja 6. So first step is completed, means multiplied with 1 is completed. Now what is remaining? 3. So here 3 is in its ones place, so 3 times means 30. So now 65 she multiplied with 30. Here you can see 65 is multiplied by 30, so she got 1950. So now add this all. 5 plus 0 it is 5, 6 plus 5 it is 11, 1 will be carried, 9 plus 1 10, 0 will be right here, and now 1 and 1 2, 2015 rupees. So both are the same answer. but the ways of multiplication is different. And now here she is explaining that how she just multiplied. Now in the next page, Bhanu tried to find the salary of a minister for the month of January. Means January has 31 days. So salary of the minister, which is 195 rupees for one day, we will multiply with 31, because 31 days are there in the month of January. So here he just multiplied 195 with 31. So he is also doing the same process. First 195 he is multiplying with 1. So 1 5 ja, it is 5, then 1 9 ja, it is 9, then 1 1 ja, it is 1. So multiplication with 1 is completed. Now what is remaining? 3. So here 3 is in its 10th place. So 3 tenths means, yes, it is 30. So now the whole number means 195 we have to multiply with 30. So here you can see it is written. So let's multiply. So it's a very simple method. Here is 0. So first write 0. It is written here. Let me multiply here. Then 3 5 ja, it is 15. Write 5. 1 will be carried. Then 3 9 ja, 27 plus 1 28. 2 will be carried. 3 1 ja, 3 plus 2 5. So 5850. So here I will write 5850. 0 is already written here. Then 8, then 5. Now add this all. 5 and 0, it is 5. 9 plus 5, it is 14. So 1 will be carried. 8 plus 1 9, plus 1 10, 0. 1 will be carried. 5 plus 1 6. So 6045. This is the salary of the minister for 31 days, means for the month of January. Now practice time. First, use Bella's method to multiply these numbers. A, B. A is 32 multiplied by 46 and B is 67 multiplied with 18. So come to the first A. 32 multiplied by 46. So 46 means 40 plus 6. Remember it. Okay. So first 32 we have to multiply with 6. Then 32 we will multiply with 40. So let's multiply. So it is already multiplied here. 32 multiplied by, why it is written here 32? Oh, sorry, just a correction here. First 32 is multiplied with 6, so it is written 192. Now in the next step 32 will be multiplied with 40. So now let's multiply this. So first write 0, then 4 2 it is 8 and 4 3 12, 1280. So here we will write 1280. So now add this all. 2 and 0 2, 9 plus 8 it is 17. 7 will be written here, 1 will be carried. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, and now 1 1472. This is our product. Now the same process we have to do for the B. 67 multiply with 18. So first 67 will be multiplied with 8. So let's multiply it. 8 7 is 56. So 6 will be written here and 5 will be carried. Then 8 6 is 48. 48 plus 5 it is 53. Now 67 we have to multiply with 1/10, means 1/10 means 10. 67 multiplied by 10, so it is 670, which is already given here. Now add the all number. 6 plus 0 it is 6, 7 plus 3 it is 10, so 0 we will write here and 1 will be carried. So 6 5 it is 30. So 6 plus 5 it is 11, 11 plus 1 12. Sorry, I was just multiplying. It's just a simple addition. So 1206. In this way we will get it. Now question number 2. Do this in your notebook using Bella's method. So A, B, C, D, E, F, many numbers are given here. So let me do any one for you. So I will take this one. E number 360 multiplied by 12. So now let's multiply this. So first 360 we have to multiply with 2. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, 1 will be carried and 2 we will written here. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7. Now multiply with 2 is completed. Okay. Now 1 is remaining, means 110 means 10. So now 360 360 we will multiply with 10. So we will get 10 0 is a 0, 10 6 is 60, 0 6 will be carried, 10 3 is 30 plus 6 36. So 3600. So right here 3600. Now add the all, 0 and 0 it is 0, 2 plus 0 2, 7 plus 6 13, 3 will be written here, 1 will be carried, 3 plus 1 4, 4320. So this is the product. In this way you can find the product of these all numbers using the same method, means Bela's method. So this all questions for you all. Okay, just practice on these questions, find the product and must write your answer in the comment box. I am still waiting to check your answer. So now in this way let's over today's class. See you all in the next video. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Jai Hind.